Hello friends, welcome to Otica Meditronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use an Welch Hill otoscope, a basic model. You can see this is a very basic model, Pocket Junior Otoscope 22840. The device comes in a Hillrom box because now Welch company has been taken over by Hillrom brand. So it is manufactured by Welch, but it is the box is of Hillrom now. You can see the device we are going to open, and the company has provided a device like this. You can see this is the handle, this is the head. Company doesn't provide any kind of we can say there is no battery. Company has provided now company started providing transparent ear speculas for a better understanding and better visibility. This is the handle. We are going to take a battery separately from the market. See, this is a very basic quality machine, so this is for a junior level of otoscope. You just need to keep your button in the not this direction. You have to keep it like this. You just have to insert this batteries. You just need to close this. You have to tighten this device like this. Now you can see the device is on now. I'm going to set down some light. You can see, and this is a fiber optic otoscope. You can see there is no any disturbances like hand. There is no bulb coming in between the visibility of your hand. You can see you can go into the cannula, and you just need to switch off device like this. Switch on and switch off is like this.